Interior Secretary Ryan Zinke told lawmakers Thursday that his agency is doing research on climate change, but it will be focused in one division of the sprawling department instead of 4 or 5. So, on the climate issue we saddled it in one division, because I want to know from a division what and APO's going on. Zinke told the House Appropriations Committee and APO's panel on Interior and Related Agencies. He said all of INTERIOR and APO's climate research will be done at the U.S. Geological Survey. He said the change was done partly for budget reasons, but also because too many agencies were getting involved, which was making the effort confused and unfocused. Zinke noted that the Fish and Wildlife Service, the Bureau of Land Management and the National Park Service, with numerous other interior sub-agencies, all have been doing separate action on climate change and muddying the waters. We need to be on the same page so we can address what the conclusion is, Zinke said. And I invite you to work with us on that. Zinke was responding to questions from the full Committee and APO's top Democrat, Representative Nita Lowey of New York, on whether the agency will be continuing climate research given President Trump and APO's decision to withdraw from the Paris Climate Agreement. I have been pretty consistent on climate change, Zinke said. I don't and APO's believe it and APO's as a hoax. I think man has had an influence and climate is changing. The problem is, we don't and APO's understand what the effects are, he added. And USGS has some terrific scientists, but THERE and APO's no model that can predict the effects from all the data we collect. But certainly the climate is changing in ways we don't and APO's understand, he said. Man has had an influence. But man has had a negative influence, not only on CO2, but you look at arsenic, chemicals, we have looked at agriculture, so man has and APO's been a particularly good influence anyway on a lot of things. And CO2 is a concern, he continued. Many climate scientists blame carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases emitted from burning fossil fuels for driving man-made climate change. He does say, however, that the Paris Agreement was a bad deal for the nation. I think it and APO's a bad negotiated deal, Zinke said. It lets China, India, Russia walk. The CO2 in China actually increases until 2030 because it and APO's structured on people. And China has more people. So, the WORLD and APO's greatest polluter gets to walk until 2030.